First, enter the number of days for partial payment in the Advanced Settings option. Then, click on Save Changes and navigate to the general settings of the plugin. From the General Settings page, configure the deposit option from the deposit type and deposit value fields. And then save the changes made and navigate to the product page to see how the deposit payment date works. And from the product page, choose the deposit option and add the product to the cart. From the cart, navigate to the checkout page and complete the order process. Once placing the order, you can see the deposit payment details and the payment dates on the Order Partial Payment Details section. Now you have learned to set up the partial payment date for a deposit order.